What's up? Today I'll be giving away iPhone XS's to people who are generous to homeless people. Chad and I are dressed up as a homeless person. Made some signs right here. We all need help sometimes, and seeking human kindness. And for people that donate to us, we're gonna respond to their kindness by giving them an iPhone XS. So there's two parts to this video. First of all, we're trying to surprise people as homeless people, giving them a freaking iPhone. It's gonna be great, seeing people's reactions. And then number two is bringing about awareness for people who are homeless. If you guys wanna volunteer, there's a link to homelessshelterdirectory.org where you can donate money, you can donate old clothes. They especially need socks and food. So if you're curious about how you might be able to help, there's a link in the video description down below. Let's go ahead and surprise some people with some iPhone XS's. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I think we found a street corner we're gonna use. Ready to do this?
Yep.
This is gonna be really interesting. Not everyone's gonna donate, you know? People who actually get money are probably actually pretty rare. It's been about 20 minutes so far and nothing. Like not even, like no one even talks to us. I'm gonna be honest, I thought someone would drop like 25 cents in or something by now, or like drop $1 or something.
People definitely avoid you more.
Yeah, I noticed people like, instead of walking straight down, they like,
Go around.
they take the 10-foot around path. I can't believe we still haven't gotten to anyone.
I do.
Okay, I think that's long enough of us not talking to people. We'll try chatting people up now and seeing if we get any kind of additional interaction. Hello. Oh my God. They just don't even...
You don't even say hey.
They don't even want to look at you.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Thank you so much.
We're actually doing a video to bring awareness to the homeless people.
Yeah.
And we're actually rewarding people that donate to the homeless.
So we want to say thank you
So we want to give you the money back.
Yeah, that's for you.
And we actually have a thank you gift as well.
Yeah. Here you go, man.
Are you kidding?
Nope.
Nope.
Absolutely. Thank you so
That is
much,
yours.
man. We appreciate what you're doing.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
We really appreciate you giving, man. We've been here for about an hour.
Yeah, an hour. Just
like 800 people walked by.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow. Absolutely, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your kindness.
Wow.
Keep it up, man.
Absolutely, man. Enjoy it, man.
Have a good night.
Great night.
Holy crap, that was awesome. That was a great response. The guy was like totally blown away and shocked when we pulled out the iPhone.
Yeah.
That was exactly what we're looking to do. The guy was being super freaking generous and nice, and I love paying that back to people, you know? All right, let's see if we can get someone else to donate.
What's your name?
I'm Chad.
Chad? Nice to meet you,
Nice to
Chad.
meet
Your name?
Hi, I'm Brandon.
I'm Brandon.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you both.
John, nice to meet you. Like, are you homeless? Do you have a place to stay?
We are welcome.
Where do you guys think is the best shelter in the area?
White East.
Oh, White East? Okay. Well, I really appreciate you guys stopping and giving some information.
Yeah.
The more people you know, right?
Yeah.
We're actually not homeless.
Yeah.
We're out here actually promoting to people to donate to the homeless people. And we're giving away iPhones to people that are helpful to us.
Yep. So. Yeah. No, absolutely.
No, we're not.
Take
There's
the time, you know.
iPhone
It's
XS.
Oh, thank you, God.
Absolutely.
Thank
You
you.
needed a phone. You needed a phone.
Yeah. I'm glad, guys.
Very cool.
Ay, señor, no me digas that.
Oh my God.
That does not happen every day.
I just want you guys to, like, you know, get out there and make it, you know, get back.
We started from nothing. We met at the shelter. Oh, if you only knew, it's
How long have you guys been together?
December 22nd will be a year.
Oh, wow.
We've been
And you guys just got
everything.
engaged?
Yes, recently.
I just got engaged on Friday,
Yeah,
actually.
he did. He did.
Congratulations.
I know.
My ring is in his wallet.
Congratulations.
Well,
How to respond.
I don't know.
How about a hug? Give us a hug.
Yeah.
Luck to you. I don't know. I don't know why.
Just pass it on to the next person. That's all I
Trust
ask.
and believe. I don't even know what to say anymore.
Here's some money to help you guys get by too.
Yeah.
So
We just stopped because he saw you in this funky jacket. Yeah, right. I love it. I'm gonna wear that jacket on Christmas. And when I get engaged and you get my ring. Yes, indeed. Thank you. God bless you guys so much.
yeah, you guys have a wonderful night.
Yeah.
Well,
And good luck in your endeavor with your other half too, yeah?
yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You guys have
All right.
Thank you
Have a good
so
night.
much.
Holy crap!
Yeah, man.
That was awesome. They were so nice.
Just really, really generous people. Just
Yeah, and they had no idea. They were like trying to help us get up like on our feet and like giving us advice about being homeless
and the best shelters to go to and just,
oh
just good
God, homeless helping homeless is one of the most common ways for homeless people to get help in the first place. So we all need to step up our game. So it's not just the homeless helping the homeless. It's, you know, we who have money need to be donating and providing. Do your part and help someone. If you help 1 out of 10 people that you pass by, you would be better than
The last
all like
1,000
people that passed us.
Yeah, exactly.
So, again, link in the video description if you want to find a homeless shelter to donate to. Have a happy Thanksgiving and be grateful for the friends and family and everyone in your life that help keep you afloat and keep you going. I'm so grateful for my family and everyone in my life that has helped me along to get to me to where the point where I'm at now. And some people don't have those advantages, and so you can help be that person for those people that need the help. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys in the next one. Brandon, Chad, and Darren out. Peace.
See you.
See you guys. Happy holidays. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.